Hello everybody, my name is Fanny Bula and I go touring. I books of the book, then have book of English pronunciation. Alright, let's get started. So I go into pre-weeks 1, chapter 1, definition and history of pronunciation.
Chapter number 1, definition and history of pronunciation. Pronunciation is the meaning in which a word or language is spoken, encompassing various aspects sound as the articulation of sound, stress, rhythm, and intonation pattern. Simar Mata and Pardede 28 is a fundamental element of communication, as it decreases influencing how between spoken language is understood by listening. Pronunciation involves the pronunciation of distinct speak sound, known as phonemes, which are the small amount of sound the discrete word in our language. English, for it does cut the difference between the word bit and bit, less in just one phoneme. Annotation, pronunciation included less, better, with certain separate in word or emoji mode. The order and intonation is relevant to the ratio and phase of the word with speaking. The elements have confirmed not only the meaning of word but also the speaker emotion, attitudes, and notion of speech. The history development of English pronunciation had been shaped by a series of cultural, political, and social influences, all meaning centering in the Old English period 4500 and the language one have been influenced by the Germanic debate. So other Anglian, Saxon, and Justin. With English English, the became also left significant more appreciation in the northern part of England, where meaning Scandinavia word and sound were adopted into the language. And this Sage English pronunciation was wholly different from the modern form we are familiar. Mean today, Fatula and Reagan of sound and pattern they were me opportunity to contemporary speakers. Underway a radical change between the 15 and 80, particular law for in particular, safe and in the month, so they were like time. Weeks were on pronunciation as the two on the modern form, the Greek vowel shape is on the condited. A correlation with the spin of English, word order does not mind the pronunciation are English continue to offer standardization and phonication. Relation with the ration of written thus and dictation. The word of English lexicon like Samuel Johnson have established who the lineage for pronunciation, which attributed to the more uniform pronunciation they will see today. A definition of pronunciation. Pronunciation is the way in which words of sound are spoken for meaning and essential aspect for verbal communication. Napoli 22. In definition to the accurate pronunciation of speak sound, ensuring equity and understanding between speaker and listening. In addition to the core element, pronunciation is influenced by ration, accent, and variation. Different English speaking records, so as the United States, the United Kingdom, and Australia have distinct way of pronouncing words with notable differences in the history of pronunciation in English. The history of pronunciation is the English language is Prouting Junior. They reflect the broader change in social, and communication of the country society and the 1927. English pronunciation have evolved significantly happened by enforcing migration and global influence led me to the right reflecting of nature and did we have today. Especially in the northern region of England during this period, English pronunciation was called the dime of the Germanic language league or Eskimar and or Norcia. The importation of pronunciation. The importance of pronunciation is communication. Pronunciation plays a crucial role in affecting communication, service as the bridge between spoken language and understanding in conversation, not only that. Further actualization of sound, but also the modes of stress, intonation, and rhythm, they anchor clarity and meaning. The significant core of pronunciation is become the content and import how messages are confused and variation in various contexts. In conclusion, pronunciation is a fundamental aspect of communication that significantly influences understanding, credibility, emotion, appreciation, and emotional relation. Is important for not bit of detail. As effective pronunciation not only ensures clarity and comprehension, but also for the confident and ergonomic it for your communication context. Multiple pronunciation is essential for everyone seeking to communicate everything with the intentional, intelligent, professional setting or language and their thoughts. Thank you.